Hey guys, we're live at 10:42. And we're running a mini, I think a 6-winner mini for Matt's Lando general figure. I got 62 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random in just a moment. Ooh, got a little ahead of myself. 62 spots, copy, top 6 win spots in a main. Going to paste them in here. 1 through 62. Going to roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We got a 6, so we're gold. Good luck, folks. Here we go. Steve in the top spot for first round. Beetlejuice 2. Alex 3. Troy 4. Michael 5. And our winners are Steve, Troy, Alex, Jimmy, and Andrew. Congratulations, fellas. You win some spots in the main from Matt's Lando. WMFGMV. There's our winners. I am now done. Now at 10:43. There it is. All right. Again, here's the official results and our winner. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.